Hey, hello everyone. This is Aymanol. Today we will resolve the problem of this Windows update KB5034441. When you try to install this update, it will give you this error, and this error it is because uh, low space of your recovery partition of C drive, So Windows cannot install because of low space. We don't have enough space in recovery partition. So in Windows here, in Windows Forum, it is you need to do all these structures, and it is you know it is maybe a little bit risky. So we have another solution of this to resolve this problem. So you need to to increase your recovery partition. You need to click right click on this PC and click manage. So and check disk management, and you see now my health recovery partition, this one, you need to increase its size. So how you increase the size? You see, this is help, no increase, even you have unallocated space. So today before 1 hour ago, I have this fault code when I try to install the update, but my healthy recovery partition, it was 500 megabyte. It's about half of this space. So how I increase this? It is easy. You need to install this tool, mini tool partition wizard, free version. You need to install it from official website. Just Google it, mini tool partition wizard. So when you install it, just check this one. Don't take the don't check this, check only this, okay? And then it will gives you like this. It will gives you like this. So how you you need to check your C drive, this, make sure you have enough space, right click on it, and choose move and resize. Okay, you need to come in here and click like this. You need to put here 1 gigabyte, to make 1 gigabyte, no more. 1 gigabyte is enough. And then you need to click OK. I don't need to re-allocate now because I do it before an hour. So you need to click OK here, like this, and it will give you this notice. You need to do yes and restart now. It will restart your computer. But before it, I so sorry. When you locate 1 gigabyte, you need to press here, apply. Okay here, and then apply. It will give you this message. You click yes, then restart now. After this, your computer will restart. Don't worry, it will gives you like this. You need to wait until it gives you here 100%. It's depends about your SSD, your drive speed. It's about I think from seconds to 10 minutes. And then your computer will launch up correctly, no problem. Okay, like this. then your computer is restarting. So then when your computer Windows is launch up and you need to come in here again and choose this one, GBT recovery partition. It doesn't matter if it is MBR or GBT, no problem. Okay, just take recovery partition. You need to right click on it and choose extend like this, and you need to check this unallocated space and you need to press OK. Then go to here and check for updates. Okay, this is what you need to do. So and will update, will install it correctly, no problems, no fault code, nothing happens. Okay, have a good day guys, peace out. I'm sorry but I need to say this, but you know, this is my first time, and you know, my English is not good, so I hope you can understand me correctly and I help you. Enjoy to help you guys. Bye bye, have a good day.